In this video tutorial, you'll learn some amazing tricks and tips to get the best SEO results. Getting the best SEO, search engine optimization results is crucial for various reasons, as it directly impacts the online visibility and success of a website. Effective SEO techniques help your website rank higher in search engine result pages, or SERPs. This increased visibility means more people are likely to click on your website, resulting in higher organic traffic. Websites that appear at the top of search results are often perceived as more credible and trustworthy by users. Users tend to trust search engines, and if your website is prominently featured, it can boost your brand's credibility. When your website ranks well for relevant keywords, it attracts users who are actively searching for information, products, or services related to your business. These users are more likely to convert into customers or take desired actions on your site. So, it's now time to learn some amazing tricks and tips to get the best SEO results. But before starting, make sure you like the video, hit the subscribe button, and click the bell icon since we post WordPress-related videos regularly. So let's get started. First, I'm going to tell you about which plugin is best suited to drive the best SEO results. These plugins offer a range of features and functionalities that make it easier for users to implement SEO best practices without extensive technical knowledge. So to install it, log into your WordPress website, hover over Plugins, and click on Add New. Here, simply search for AIOSEO. From the list of various plugins here, this is the plugin that we're looking for. So click on Install Now, and you can see the active installations as well as plugin compatibility over here. Once installed, click on Activate. This plugin improves your WordPress SEO rankings and traffic. Once done, let's now configure the plugin. In your sidebar, hover over All in SEO and click on Dashboard. Upon activation, the plugin typically displays a notification or a menu item prompting you to run the setup wizard. Click on Run Setup Wizard or similar and click on it to initiate the setup process. The setup wizard will guide you through a series of steps to configure the basic settings for your site's SEO. This may include entering your site's information, configuring general settings, setting up social media integration, and more. At each step, review the information and make any necessary adjustments based on your preferences and SEO strategy. Once you've completed all the steps, the setup wizard typically confirms that the basic configuration is complete. And that's all. This is how you'll be able to complete the first step toward best SEO results. Moving on to the next trick we're going to talk about is how to set up permalinks on your website. For that, all you need is to hover over Settings and click on Permalinks in the sidebar. Including relevant keywords in your URLs can help search engines understand the content of your page. This can contribute to better search engine rankings for those keywords. So we're going to learn how to set the permalinks in the correct manner. Here you can find various permalink structures. Choose a permalink structure that's SEO friendly. The ideal structure here should be to select the post name. Including the post name in the URL provides a clear indication of the content of the page. Search engines use the URL structure as one of the factors to understand and rank the content. A clean and descriptive URL can contribute to better search engine optimization, or SEO. When changing the permalink structure, keep in mind that it may impact existing links. If your site has been active for a while and you decide to change the structure, consider implementing redirects to ensure that old URLs still point to the correct content. Redirects help maintain SEO value and prevent users from encountering broken links. Once everything's in place, don't forget to save the changes. Coming up to the next tip is to set up your Google Search Console. Google Search Console is a powerful tool that can play a crucial role in your SEO strategy. It provides valuable insights into how Google perceives and interacts with your website. Google Search Console allows you to see how Googlebot crawls and indexes your site. You can identify indexing issues, crawl errors, and blocked resources, ensuring that search engines can access and index your content properly. So if you want to know more in detail, then we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link the video in the description, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. The next trick is about how to create and submit the site to Google Sitemap. A sitemap index is a collection of individual sitemaps for different sections or types of content on your website. Checking the sitemap index ensures that all relevant pages are included and can be crawled by search engines. Websites often have various types of content, including posts, pages, categories, and custom post types. The sitemap index allows you to organize and submit separate sitemaps for each content type, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your site's content. Let's check out how. So, moving to the website's front, you can see that this is my website with several pages and some content on it. Now, you don't need to create a sitemap. The plugin we installed earlier in this video automatically creates a sitemap for our website. So, on the home page, simply go to the URL over here and enter / and type sitemap.xml. This is the sitemap created by All-in-One SEO plugin. If you make changes to your site structure, content organization, or URL patterns, it's essential to update the sitemap index accordingly. Regularly checking the index ensures that it reflects the current state of your website. Now we need to submit this sitemap to Google Search Console. So now we've created a video on this as well about how to submit your sitemap to Google Search Console, and you can simply click on the eye icon in the top right corner to view the video. And that was all about this tip. Moving forward, let's now learn how to create a static homepage and why to create one. A static homepage allows you to present clear and targeted messaging to visitors. You can optimize the content and layout to emphasize your primary products, services, or calls to action. This clarity can positively impact user experience and engagement, which can, in turn, affect SEO. For example, this is the static homepage. Now, how do we set a static homepage? To do that, simply move back to WordPress admin panel, click on Reading under Settings. Here you can set a page as a static homepage. So you can see I've already selected a static page, and here you can set your static homepage as well. And here you can select your static homepage as well as static post page. And once everything's in place, click on Save Changes. Next is optimize your website's titles. Optimizing your site title is an important aspect of SEO and online visibility. The site title is a crucial element that both users and search engines use to understand the content and purpose of your website. Search engines, like Google, consider the site title as a significant ranking factor. The title tag is one of the most critical on-page SEO elements. Including relevant keywords in your site title can help improve your site's ranking for those keywords. So, for example, let's add a new post by hovering over Posts and clicking on Add New Post. We'll give this post a title, and now we'll make it more relative and relevant to the blog post. For example, for a clothing store, the title here says Black T-shirt. You can see the SEO score has increased over here. And this is the all-in-one SEO headline analyzer. In general, headline analyzers are tools that help assess the effectiveness of your headlines or titles in terms of SEO, readability, and engagement. Now, if you click over here, this displays the heading we tried for this blog post, and will display individual ratings. You can see all the information here, reading which you can improve the headlines. You can now simply understand the headings in a better way, consider the recommendations from the plugin, and make changes accordingly. Now, if I make it the best black t-shirt You can see the SEO headline score over here. And if I make more relative changes, you can see the better it gets. And this is all about how to optimize titles in WordPress for SEO rankings. The next trick is about how to optimize your images for high SEO and performance rankings. Unoptimized images can significantly slow down your website's loading speed. Page loading speed is a crucial factor for both experience of the user and search engine rankings. Search engines like Google consider page speed as a ranking factor, and faster loading pages tend to rank higher. Images can also be very large if you don't optimize them, so it's important to optimize images for better SEO rankings for higher performance. Now, let's learn more with an example. Simply moving to Unsplash.com, let's download an image from here. We'll search for black t-shirt here. Let's download this image. And you can see the original size of the image is really large. So all you need to do is resize the image and then add it. You need to resize, compress, and choose the right file format, and then it will drag the best results. So, to learn all of that, we've created a video on how to optimize images for search engines. I'll mention the video in the description below. Also, you can click on the eye icon in the top right corner of the screen to view the video. The next amazing trick is all about how to create and optimize internal links. Internal links help visitors navigate your website more efficiently. By linking relevant pages together, you guide users to related content, enhancing their overall experience. Internal linking helps distribute page authority, or link equity, throughout your website. When you link from a high authority page to another, you pass on some of that authority to the linked page, potentially improving its search engine rankings. Anchor text in internal links provides context to search engines. Using relevant keywords in anchor text can enhance the keyword relevance of the linked pages, potentially improving their rankings for those keywords. The plugin that we added offers an amazing feature called Link Assistant. So, moving to the dashboard, hover over All-in-One SEO and click on Link Assistant in the sidebar. Link Assistant specifically focuses on link building, which is a crucial element of SEO for improving a website's authority and visibility in search engine results. Link Assistant helps you discover and acquire high-quality backlinks to your website. The tool assists in identifying potential link building opportunities by providing a database of potential link partners, influencers, and websites in your niche. As this is the Pro feature, you can buy the Pro plan of the plugin and get started with this amazing feature. The plugin will guide you all by itself, and you'll be able to do it all smoothly. Now, moving next to adding schemas and open graph data to the website. Schema markup, often referred to simply as schema, is a structured data vocabulary that helps search engines understand the content on web pages more accurately. It provides a standardized way to communicate information about the type of content and the relationships between elements on a page. So let's see how it works. Moving back to the post we were working on, here you have some AI SEO settings. You can find various tabs over here. We need to focus on the two tabs over here. One is social and the other is schema. Whenever you share your contact on social media sites, they automatically fetch everything like title, image, etc. So, where do they get this from? It comes from Open Graph Data. This is the place where you can see all the information. You can see the Facebook preview over here. You can configure all of the related settings over here. And let's move to the Schema tab. Schema can set up what the content is all about on your site. Here you can add schema to use, or you can even generate schema for this post. But the settings will only be for this specific post. In case you want to make it automatic site-wide, you can create it using All-in-One SEO plugin. Every blog then can use the schema by default. Similarly for social tabs as well. So this plugin allows you to customize the schema as well as the open graph tags on individual post bases. So this is literally amazing, and it's an important step to rank even higher. Now, after all of the above said, one more amazing trick that I'm going to share with you is enabling auto updates for your plugins. Developers regularly release updates to fix bugs, improve performance, and add new features. Automatic updates helps keep your site running smoothly and ensure that you benefit from the latest improvements. So let's see how that's done. Inside the admin panel, hover over Plugins and click on Installed Plugins. You can see these plugins have been installed to our site. Now, to see if all the plugins have been set to auto-enabled or disabled updates, you can simply configure this link over here. Since I have 11 plugins on my site, it says all the 11 of them have been set to auto-disable updates. To make them auto-enable update, simply bulk select all the plugins from here and click on Bulk Actions. From the drop-down, select Enable Auto Updates and hit Apply. Now you can see auto updates is enabled. And if the case is that you want to disable auto updates for a particular plugin, you can repeat the process. The only change will be selecting Disable Auto Updates option over here. Now, you don't have to bother updating the plugins manually. They'll be auto-updated. And that's it for this video about tips and tricks to get the best SEO results. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.